Good morning, choir masters and choir members. Quick video lang tayo. So today we're going to talk about the preparatory beat. Yan. So itong preparatory beat is very important dahil ito ang nagbibigay sa atin ng accurate na tempo ng isang music bago pa man ito magsimula. So for example, si conductor magbibigay siya ng preparatory beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then papasok na yung music. So sa ganitong paraan, nalalaman ng mga musicians or ng mga singers natin na ganito yung ating tempo dun sa music na papasok. Yan. So napakahalaga niyan. So this coming August 30, 2025, isa yan sa ating mga i-discuss. So we're going to have choral workshop and seminar this coming August 30, 2025. So our first topic is about basic choral conducting and our second topic is art of accompaniment. Yan. So kung ikaw ay isang conductor or ikaw ay isang accompanist, so inanyayahan kitang mag-join dito sa ating choral workshop and seminar 2025. So if you are interested, please PM lang, no? PM lang sa aming page and we are going to give you the details of the seminar. So we'll see you there. God bless and bye-bye.